JQ, and today I'm at Asaase 99.5. And on the Clash table today is the BIM Nation President Stonebwoy and the leader of the Shatta movement, Shatta Wale. Now, who has the back-to-back hits that can have you dancing from morning till evening? Who has the records that can go on non-stop and hold concerts and shows for you to love? I mean, we are here to find out at Asaase 99.5. It promised to be nothing but fun and excitement. So hey, come along. Is it Putu or Fapimso? Let's go find out.
So why are we here? It's just a simple question. We are here because of the Sound Clash. What is the Sound Clash? We put a question out there. Very simple social media question. That this thing has been going on for a while. Do we want to see, if we put these two giants on the stage, do we want to see what can happen? And something that started out as a simple question has become a huge phenomenon. It's totally overwhelmed us all. And this is what has brought us here today. We see these two talented artists over here, and some of us are torn because we are not even sure which side to lean towards. For us at Asaase Radio, it's important to make such things happen because we try to create the platform for ingrown, authentic Ghanaian businesses and to promote our own industries. And this includes this industry, the music industry, which is one of the biggest here. Because not only are we trying to entertain our listeners and our audience, but we are trying to make it work for the situation that we find ourselves in, which is the current COVID-19. It's a very serious situation, and we as Asaase Radio are using the platform that we have, which is broadcast media and music and entertainment, to reach the youth. And these two giants that you see over here, they have the biggest following that you can ever imagine. It's only they can show us what they are both made of, which is what we are hoping to see at the main event. And this is just the launch, so we have a lot to look forward to.
All right, so let's have a face-off and see exactly what the clash will look like musically between Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. Charlie.
You guarantee where you guarantee customer, you don't see her.
Because what?
That's right.
You know, if you don't customize, it don't be my own. I like this one, strictly magazine. You want to use it as a customer. Don't move on. I don't say you be superstar, don't move on. You don't see her. If my name no data, I don't go tear up, I don't see, you don't step down.
Bim! Bim! It's a bim team!
I don't like a set with
Let me say that the gentlemen involved, I don't mean a person, I mean they are phenomenal. I hereby declare Asaase Sound Clash duly launched.
So no matter if you money, no matter, no for the money is a distract to girl. No matter missing,